So today I'm going to talk about how our mindsets outsmart in virtually every facet of our lives. But I want to begin by telling a story about a group of researchers in Italy. Dr. Fabrizio Benedetti and his colleagues studied a group of patients undergoing thoracic surgery. Now, what you should know about thoracic surgery is that it's very invasive procedure. Patients are put under anesthesia, while the surgeons make major incisions into the muscles of the sides and the back in order to gain access to their hearts and to their lungs. Now, about an hour after the anesthesia fades away, the pain starts to set in. Fortunately, patients are given strong doses of morphine sulfate, a powerful painkiller. This is routine treatment for thoracic surgery. But Dr. Benedetti and his colleagues made a few subtle tweaks. Half of the patients were given the dose of morphine by a doctor at their bedside. The other half was given the exact same dose of morphine, but it was administered into their IV by a pre-programmed pump. Now you would think that both of these groups of patients would experience the same relief, but this was not the case. The group that received the morphine by the doctor reported significant reductions in their pain levels. The other group, the group who received the same exact amount of morphine that wasn't aware of it, they didn't seem to experience the same benefit. So Dr. Benedetti and his colleagues didn't stop here. They used the same procedure to test the effectiveness of other treatments, treatments of anxiety, treatments for Parkinson's disease, treatments for hypertension. What they found was remarkable and consistent. When the patients were aware of the treatment and expected to receive the benefit, the treatment was highly effective. But they weren't. The same drug, that same pill, and that same procedure was, was blunted, and in some cases not even effective at all. So I read about these studies when I was a student in Harvard University, and at the time I was heavily immersed into the literature of the placebo effect. And the more of that I more started to think about the true nature of the placebo, what the placebo effect really. Well, most people discount the placebo effect and just a mass of magical response to some fake pill or some fake procedure. But that's not what the placebo effect is. The placebo effect is not about the fake pill and the sugar pill or the fake procedure. What the placebo effect really is a powerful, robust, and consistent demonstration of the ability of our mindset. In this case, the expectation to heal, to recruit rehealing properties in the body. So, what is a mindset? A mindset is quite literally a setting of the mind. It's a lens or frame of mind through which we view the world. It will simplify the infinite number of potential interpretation at any given moment. Now, the ability to simplify our world through our mindset is a natural part of being a human. But what we want to do today in that minds is not insequential, but instead they play a dramatic role in determining our health and our being.